2 minutes. One trip to Italy, zero jet lag. Grab a tiramisu and settle in. Italy is like that one mate who's good at everything. It's beautiful, it's dramatic, it's historic, and it does it all effortlessly. All while inventing the Renaissance, opera, and the modern banking system on the side. Venice is a floating city that somehow makes sense. Built on more than 100 islands with canals instead of streets, it's stitched together with over 400 bridges and zero cars. Just gondolas, charm, and pure style. Rome, on the other hand, is like an open-air museum. The Romans built road networks stretching over 400,000 kilometers, many of which still shape European cities today. Tuscany looks like it was designed by a landscape painter on his best day, and its vineyards produce enough wine to make anyone fluent in Italian. Down south, the Amalfi coast is so beautiful even the sunrises feel underdressed. UNESCO took one look and basically said, nobody touch anything. Then there's the Dolomites. Sharp dramatic peaks glowing pink at sunset thanks to a natural optical effect called alpenglow. In winter, it's ski heaven. In summer, hikers, paragliders and mountain bikers all line up to feel humbled by the cliffs. Sicily offers a blend of ancient city life in Palermo and fiery views of Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano. And Matera, one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities on Earth, has cave dwellings dating back more than 9,000 years. From sunlit coasts to dramatic mountain peaks, that's Italy in 2 minutes. If this little tour hit the spot, help yourself to another tiramisu, and thanks for watching.